Nuts.
Nuts are small, healthy foods that people eat all around the world. They grow on trees or bushes and come in hard shells. Nuts are packed with nutrients like protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. They're a great snack, and many people use them in cooking or baking. Nuts are also very good for health because they can help our heart, brain, and body stay strong. There are many different kinds of nuts. Each type has its own unique taste, texture, and health benefits. Here are some of the most popular nuts. 1. Almonds. Almonds are one of the most popular types of nuts. They are long and oval-shaped with a slightly sweet taste. People often eat almonds raw, roasted, or sliced. Almonds are high in vitamin E, which is good for our skin and immune system. They are also full of fiber, which helps with digestion. 2. Walnuts. Walnuts have a wrinkled shell and are shaped like a brain. They have a rich, slightly bitter taste. Walnuts are full of healthy fats called omega-3 fatty acids. These fats are good for the heart and brain. Walnuts are also rich in antioxidants, which help protect our cells from damage. 3. Cashews. Cashews are soft, curved nuts with a creamy taste. They are often used in cooking, especially in Asian dishes. Cashews are a good source of magnesium, which helps our muscles and bones stay strong. They also contain healthy fats that are good for the heart. 4. Peanuts. Peanuts are actually not true nuts. They are legumes like beans. However, they are often considered a type of nut because they look and taste like nuts. Peanuts are rich in protein and fiber. They are often made into peanut butter, which is a popular spread for sandwiches. 5. Pistachios. Pistachios are small, green nuts that come in a thin, beige shell. They have a mild, slightly sweet taste. Pistachios are high in protein and fiber, making them a healthy snack. They are also full of vitamins and minerals like vitamin B6 and potassium, which are good for brain and heart. 6. Hazelnuts. Hazelnuts are round, brown nuts with a sweet and slightly buttery flavor. They're often used in desserts like chocolate and cakes. Hazelnuts are rich in vitamin E and healthy fats. They also contain a lot of fiber, which helps with digestion. Nuts are full of important nutrients that help keep our body healthy. Here are some of the key nutrients found in nuts. Protein. Nuts are a great source of plant-based protein. Protein is important for building and repairing muscles, tissues, and cells. Nuts are a good option for people who do not eat meat. Healthy fats. Most nuts are full of healthy fats. These fats help protect the heart and keep cholesterol levels low. The healthy fats in nuts are called unsaturated fats, which are good for our body. Fiber. Nuts are high in fiber, which is important for our digestion. Fiber helps keep our digestive system healthy and prevents constipation. It also helps control blood sugar levels and lowers cholesterol. Vitamins and minerals. Nuts are packed with vitamins and minerals. They are a good source of vitamin E, which helps protect our cells and supports the immune system. Nuts are also rich in magnesium, potassium, and zinc, which help keep our bones, muscles, and heart healthy. Eating nuts regularly can improve our health in many ways. Here are some of the main health benefits of eating nuts. Good for heart health. Nuts are very good for the heart. The healthy fats in nuts help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Walnuts and almonds, in particular, are great for heart health because they are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E. Helps with weight management. Nuts are high in calories, but they can still help with weight management. This is because they are very filling. Eating a small amount of nuts can help you feel full for a long time, which can prevent overeating. Supports brain health. Nuts are great for the brain. The omega-3 fatty acids found in walnuts and almonds help improve brain function and memory. Vitamin E, which is found in many nuts, also helps protect the brain from damage as we age. Boosts energy. Nuts are full of energy. They contain protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates, which provide a steady source of energy throughout the day. Eating nuts as a snack can give you an energy boost when you need it. Rich in antioxidants. Nuts are high in antioxidants, which help protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals can harm our body and cause diseases like cancer and heart disease. Antioxidants help fight these harmful molecules and keep our body healthy. Helps control blood sugar. Nuts are a great food for people with diabetes or anyone who wants to control their blood sugar levels. The fiber in nuts helps slow down the absorption of sugar into the blood. This helps keep blood sugar levels stable. There are many ways to include nuts in your diet. Here are some simple ways to eat nuts. Snack on nuts. One of the easiest ways to eat nuts is as a snack. You can eat them raw, roasted, or lightly salted. Just be careful not to eat too many, as nuts are high in calories. Add nuts to salads. You can sprinkle nuts on top of salads to add a crunchy texture and extra nutrition. Almonds, walnuts, and pistachios are great choices for salads. Use nuts in baking. Many desserts use nuts as ingredients. You can add nuts to cookies, cakes, and brownies for extra flavor and crunch. Hazelnuts and almonds are commonly used in baking. Make nut butter. Nut butter, like peanut butter and almond butter, is a great way to enjoy nuts. You can spread nut butter on bread or use it in smoothies. Just be sure to choose nut butters with no added sugar or salt for a healthier option. Add nuts to cereal or oatmeal. You can mix nuts into your cereal or oatmeal for a healthy breakfast. Adding nuts gives you more protein, fiber, and healthy fats to start your day. Cook with nuts. You can use nuts in cooking to add texture and flavor to dishes. Cashews are often used in stir-fries, and peanuts are common in Asian cooking. You can also grind nuts to make sauces or spreads. Nuts are a great addition to any healthy diet. They're full of nutrients and can be eaten in many different ways. Here are some tips for including nuts in your diet. Eat a small handful. Even though nuts are healthy, they are high in calories. It is important to eat them in moderation. A small handful of nuts, about 30 grams, is a good portion size. Choose unsalted nuts. Many packaged nuts are salted. Eating too much salt can raise blood pressure, so it is better to choose unsalted nuts for a healthier option. Mix nuts with other foods. You can mix nuts with fruits, vegetables, or whole grains for a balanced meal. Adding nuts to a fruit salad or vegetable stir-fry is a great way to enjoy the benefits of nuts. Eat different types of nuts. Each type of nut has its own unique benefits. To get the most nutrition, try eating a variety of nuts like almonds, walnuts, cashews, and pistachios. Conclusion: nuts are small but very powerful foods. They're full of protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals that are essential for good health. Eating nuts regularly can help improve heart health, support brain function, and provide energy. Whether you eat them as a snack, in a salad, or in your favorite dish, nuts are a great way to stay healthy. Just remember to eat them in moderation and choose unsalted varieties for the best results.